Bleisure means let's get down to work, and after we're done, shall we take a vacation? The combination of work and pleasure travel is frequently referred to as bleisure travel, and the word bleisure is frequently used in that phrase. The phrase business tourism is frequently used to refer to work-related travel that also includes leisure activities. This can mean scheduling in time for a hiking excursion, squeezing in some sightseeing, or taking the kids along so they can have fun in between video conference calls. Because of the widespread COVID-19 epidemic, a rising number of people are being forced to perform their jobs from a remote location, which has contributed to the rise in popularity of bleisure travel. The combination of the terms business and leisure results in the oxymoronic word bleisure. The term bleisure refers to vacations that in some manner mix getting work done with finding time to rest or engage in other enjoyable activities. These travel words, along with many others, are frequently driven by marketing for the travel industry. For instance, you may come across the travel term open-jaw flight, which refers to a flight that departs from a different city from the one that a person arrived in addition to the well-known term red-eye flight, which refers to a flight that is taken during the hours in which people are typically asleep. You shouldn't be surprised if we continue to see plenty of new travel lingo because it is in the best interest of travel agencies to come up with snappy, marketable ways to sell vacation packages. Because of this, it is in the best interest of travel agencies to come up with new ways to sell vacation packages.